What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at the affiliate CPA marketing network, CPAHub.io. I was just looking at that ugly ass logo, but yeah, so they have a blue background and then this pinkish logo. I hope it looks better on the inside. Global Performance Affiliate Network. They have fast payouts, 24/7 support, and direct offers. But the question is, how fast do they pay out? Because if it's like net 30, it's not really fast, is it? Highest payouts, we try, of course, they all say that. All verticals and payment models, that's interesting. High skilled support team. Smart links, free landing pages, free offer creatives. Okay, cool. Sounds good. We value your opinion. They have some networks that have a message. They are from the Netherlands. Actually, not too far away from our office, like 10 minutes. That's so fucking funny. Really? CPA Hub? We cool, man. We cool. All right, let's have a look. So I already had a look, so I know the logo looks a lot better here. It just doesn't suit the blue in my opinion, but this looks a lot better. So Frank, the affiliate manager, it looks quite simple. I mean, the dashboard is quite clear, quite simple. They have dating offers, top 3 dating offers. Hurry up, don't lose your chance to get rich. I won't. News, top hot offers in August. This is killer campaign material, grab your link. Statistics, host conversions, USD balance. Conversions for the last 10 days. We have some new offers. Adult dating, SMP. This is the pay-per-lead, sweepstakes. Again, adult dating, sweepstakes, more sweepstakes. Smart links. They have tons of stuff. So let's start with the statistics. Have a quick look. All right, simple, very detailed overview. All the days, the host, the hits, the impressions, approved, pending, declined, conversion rate, EPC, and the financial part, of course, so you can get your money. Conversions offers browsers. You can filter on a lot of stuff, which is nice. But the most important part is the offers. Let's have a look. How many offers do they host? 49 different offers. Not that many. To request access as well. So they have some adult dating, sweepstakes, a lot of sweepstakes. And there's a good payout, $290 US. That's very competitive running in the US. Everything has to be requested here. More adult dating, cost per install offers. Interesting. Clear trip, Ace Date, Babbel. I don't know, all those things. Android stuff, loans for the US. Yeah, they have quite a casino. They have quite a bit of everything actually. Only 49 offers, but quite a bit of everything. So some more adult, mainstream dating, and some more adult. So you could say it's a sweepstake / adult network. Only 49 offers. They must not be that big. But it's powered by FIs. I have no idea what that is actually. So let's have a look because it says CPAHub.FIs. Oh, it's a software as a service where they run their offers on. Okay, cool. Is this from the same owner or not? Maybe, who knows? Anyhow, they have quite a big amount of offices. Anyway, the dashboard is cool. So FIs is doing a good job. CPA Hub is doing a good job by hiring these guys. It all looks quite clear. Not that many offers and not that much to talk about. They have an API. And of course, we need to look at the payments. There are no payments. Okay. Any news? I'm actually looking for a FAQ, payment terms, anything like that. But it appears, so they have some exclusive offers. Pay attention that we do not have only dating verticals, but other verticals too. And it appears to be quite new. I mean, this is from this month, right? So perhaps they just got started and we're one of the first ones. Anyhow, they start work at 9 a.m. They finish at 7. Frank, you can reach out to Frank. This is his Skype. If you want to, get started with CPA Hub. I don't have that much to talk about because there's not that much info. Usually we go over the FAQ, look at the payment terms, you know what I'm saying? But this time we don't. Just if you're interested in running sweepstakes for CPA Hub, because they have very high payouts, it's US though. Or if you are into the adult dating, check out CPA Hub, a Dutch network. So we always favor those. If you have any questions about CPA Hub, leave them in the description. Leave them in the comment section down below. In the description, you will find a link to my precious afkforum.com. And I'll see you guys in the next one.